Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Nugget and signing in. Make sure you've allowed microphone, camera, and notifications so the app can capture audio and sync. Once signed in, create or confirm a secure 48-character PIN to protect your profile and verify your email when prompted. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or 5G network. If your device battery is below 50%, plug it in so the initial media sync completes without interruptions. Now tap the Home tab to start creating. You record by tapping record, use the hands-free option for longer takes, and aim for focused clips under 90 seconds to improve reuse. As you record, tag key moments with 1-3 keywords and add highlights so each nugget is searchable. That's the why behind tagging. It makes retrieval instant. After recording, trim on the timeline to remove dead time, enable auto captions for accessibility, and pick export resolution like 720p or 1080p. Once done, save the nugget to your library for indexing. You finalize by organizing nuggets into collections and pinning favorites so your workflow stays tidy. Sync across devices is controlled in settings, so make sure it's enabled. To collaborate, share via a link, airdrop, or export to camera roll, and set view permissions or expiration if the content is sensitive. If an upload or sync fails, retry on Wi-Fi, clear the app cache, or force close and reopen if the problem persists. Capture the log ID from settings and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.